MSD engineers have upped the ante with our popular MSD solid-state relay by increasing the amperage of each individual channel to 35 amps. You can even bridge 2, 3, or even all 4 channels for a combined total of 140 amps. This load versus timetable shows you how much each channel can support. Individual channels can be triggered by 12-volt positive power or ground triggered, or you can use a combination of both. Relays help protect circuits and prevent the meltdown of undersized wiring and switches due to high current loads from accessories such as your cooling fans, fuel pumps, and nitrous solenoids. MSD solid-state relay can replace 4 of those bulky relays and the unsightly connector with this small, compact, easy-to-wire design. Solid-state means there's no moving parts or contacts to worry about. Channels can be triggered using programmable outputs on your engine management system, a momentary or continuous operation switch. And since they're solid state, they can also be pulse width modulated, so you can control things like nitrous solenoids. The unique mounting design provides a variety of mounting options to best suit your needs. Built-in LED status indicators ensure that your circuits are wired properly and operating correctly. Should a problem arise, the LEDs will alert you to potential problems. The solid-state relay protects your circuits from damage with automatic overtemp, short circuit, and overload protection. When deciding which solid relay block to use, you'll want to know how much amperage your accessories need. For high amperage items such as dual fan setups, big electric fuel pumps, even air compressors for bag suspensions or off-road applications, you'll want to use our high current relay block, as it'll save you a channel or possibly 2 over our standard solid relay, which taps out at 20 amps per channel for continuous duty. Remember, just like its big brother, you can bridge the standard relay block for more amps, but it's best to save a channel for other accessories. Clean up that wiring and engine bay with a high current solid-state relay from MSD. To learn more about solid-state relays or any of our other great ignition products, visit us at msdperformance.com.